As you embark on your journey within the intricate world of Create, consider enhancing your experience with a couple of recommended mods. JEI, or Just Enough Items, serves as an invaluable ally for recipe assistance, guiding beginners through the labyrinthine complexities of this mod. Alongside it, Rubidium optimizes performance, ensuring your gameplay remains seamless, even as you venture deeper into the mechanics. But, how do these tools shape your understanding of Create? At the heart of your mechanical exploration lies the mechanical press, a fundamental machine that every player must master. This powerful device allows you to craft essential materials, such as golden sheets, which are crucial for your advancement in Create. Mastering the press is not merely a task, it's a rite of passage that paves your way through the intricate machinations of the mod. Are you ready to harness its potential? Transitioning from basic machinery to more sophisticated tools, the importance of the engineer's goggles and wrench cannot be overstated. These essential implements offer vital information and enable machine manipulation. Equipped with such tools, your building experience transforms, leading to more efficient designs and operations. What mysteries might you uncover with these powerful aids at your disposal? The flow of water reveals yet another layer of creativity in Create, the small and large water wheels. These ingenious devices generate power, with the large wheel producing twice the amount of stress units, albeit at half the speed of its smaller counterpart. This dynamic begs the question, in the quest for efficiency, which wheel will become your trusted ally? Power generation takes on new dimensions when you realize that stress units can be combined from multiple sources in an interconnected network. This flexibility opens a world of possibilities for your machine configurations, allowing you to devise clever systems that maximize output and efficiency. How will you harness this potential in your upcoming creations? As you delve further, you encounter windmills, yet another method to generate stress units. With a minimum of 8 sails required to kickstart power production, the operation seems deceptively simple. One right click, and you're on your way. But can you envision the intricate network of power that lies within this seemingly straightforward mechanism? Turbines stand out as a formidable solution for early game energy generation, offering significant stress units while boasting easier setup compared to steam engines. For beginners, this presents an ideal opportunity to delve into energy management without the complexities of advanced machinery. Are you prepared to unlock the full potential of turbines? Understanding the distinction between shaft power and cog power is essential for efficient machine operation. Each power type boasts specific applications and limitations within your mechanical setups. Grasping these nuances can mean the difference between a functional system and one laden with inefficiencies. What power dynamics will you leverage in your designs? As we navigate further into the realm of Create, gearboxes and belts emerge as pivotal players in the redirection of power between machines and shafts. These constructs allow for versatile energy distribution, making even the most complex setups manageable. Have you considered how your designs will benefit from this flexibility? The direction of rotation is more than a trivial aspect, it's crucial for efficient energy transfer. A firm understanding of rotational mechanics can prevent malfunctions in interconnected systems. Ask yourself, how will mastering these mechanics enhance your creations and avoid potential pitfalls in your setups? Connecting various generators and shafts in an effective network is key to optimal stress management. This interconnectedness allows for the seamless combination of diverse power sources, amplifying your potential output. The question remains, how can you best design your connections to maximize efficiency? Gear ratios play a critical role in enhancing rotational speed within mechanical systems. Understanding how to manipulate the sizes of gears can lead to substantial increases in machine efficiency. Are you ready to experiment with gear sizes to discover the secrets of speed and performance? In a world where the interconnectedness of COG power machines reigns supreme, efficient power transfer becomes more than just a necessity, it's an art form. This chaining of power sources accelerates operational speed and boosts overall performance in your mechanical setups. How will you orchestrate this synergy in your designs? Essential to the fabric of machine configurations, gearboxes provide the flexibility required to invert rotational power. This capability allows for directional changes in power flow, an absolute necessity for navigating complex setups. What unique designs will emerge from your newfound understanding of gearboxes? The logistics of machinery hinge on item transportation methods, with belts and funnels standing at the forefront. These systems facilitate the efficient movement and sorting of items within your mechanical constructs. As you design your processes, how will you optimize these transportation methods for maximal efficiency? However, belts are limited, able to move only one stack of items at a time. This makes speed and placement critical for achieving a seamless item flow. The faster the belt, the quicker the items are removed from the system. How can you strategically position your belts for an unimpeded workflow? When it comes to vertical transport, the challenge grows. Belts cannot elevate items. Instead, you will rely on encased fans and chutes. Properly configuring these components becomes essential for effective item elevation. As you contemplate your designs, how will you integrate vertical movement into your system? Fans unveil another realm of creativity, enabling bulk processing of items through an array of methods: smoking, smelting, and washing, each with unique effects. Mastering these processes can significantly enhance your gameplay by refining resource management. What possibilities lie within the mastery of fan mechanics? Utilizing fans in conjunction with lava introduces a spectacular visual and functional element: automated cooking without the need for fuel. This setup not only streamlines food processing but can also handle ores with ease. Can you envision the efficiency of your operations with such automation? The mechanical mixer and millstone present themselves as powerful tools in the early game, capable of crushing materials and automating crafting recipes. These machines promise to enhance your productivity, allowing you to streamline your gameplay. How will you incorporate them into your workflow? Finally, as you embark on your exploration of machine capabilities, the Just Enough Items (JEI) interface becomes your guide. This resource offers detailed recipes and functions, allowing you to maximize your use of machines. How will your newfound knowledge and tools elevate your experience in the world of Create?